I'd like to talk to you a little today about NDAs, or non-disclosure agreements. There's some terms that you really have to look out for if someone asks you to sign an NDA. There's also some considerations as to whether you should use them at all. For example, be very careful of how confidential information is defined. Sometimes that definition is so broad that you're violating that NDA no matter what you say. You also want to look at things like the time limit involved in the NDA and make certain it's not unreasonable. You want to make certain the NDA is not unilateral, that it applies equally to both parties. You also have to be careful because sometimes people try to sneak in other terms into an NDA, like non-compete agreements. You also want to look at the penalty provisions of an NDA. Sometimes they are so excessive as to be completely unreasonable. You may be wondering if you should use an NDA. Sometimes you should, sometimes you shouldn't. I often counsel to be cautious with it. Think about it. When you're going into a potential business relationship and you say, okay, before I can talk to you, I need you to sign this NDA. What are you really saying? You're saying, I just want you to know up front, I don't really trust you. Sometimes that makes sense, but sometimes not. So if you'd like to know whether or not the NDA you've been asked to sign is reasonable, whether you should request an NDA or not, we're here for you. Let's talk.